All right, so if you can see my screen, back to what I was saying. So I was explaining that every element that has children is collapsible unless you do not indent it properly. For instance, now if I collapse, I say that it's distorted but now let me go back to indenting. So collapsing, one of the good use of indentation is that it enables to collapse your elements because this side document will get message soon. It will get filled up to 1,000 line of code to shock you, right? So at that point, you need to collapse some things to have a grasp of what you're working on. So back to what I was explaining. So this
Sorry, please, how did you get this what did you do to get this meta chassis?
type HTML tab, everything generates.
Yes, I've done that. I'm saying the second this thing that came out. You're saying
sharing your
indenting,
screen?
yes, I'm sharing my screen.
Okay.
They've been saying indenting, but we don't know what to do to get to this part.
Come on, are you using Sublime Text too?
Yes, I am.
If you're using Sublime Text, yes. Good news, I can hear you.
I think your screen, not saying it has happened again the same way. My princess screen.
Okay. You can see my screen if I minimize the zoom. I haven't minimized it.
That's it.
Huh? The one that you're sharing, minimize the zoom. I want to see that tile. That tile is important. If you don't see that tile, you may not get it. You see a tile is floating on your system when you minimize zoom normally. Can you hear me?
Yes. Are you seeing my screen?
Yeah, I've seen your screen. I can see your screen. All right, Kachi, welcome. Wow, looks like you slept off.
Okay, thank you. No, my alarm. I made mistake in the alarm. I went to put 4:10 instead of 3:30.
Okay, so we need can you see that tile? Minimize zoom. We want to be fast. Okay, let me try. Let me stop sharing and share again. I'm sharing my screen now. Can you see my screen now? Do you know how to minimize zoom?
Okay.
If you go to,
Are you seeing my screen?
I can see your screen, but you know, if you're, what's it called? I can't see zoom control because zoom won't allow you control. So I can only see what you're sharing to zoom. Do you get the point?
I'm sharing all my screen to you.
Yeah, but I'm seeing your Sublime Text. You can share everything, but you can't share zoom itself. That's why it's like that. I share Sublime Text covering your background. I don't know what's your background, but I'm presuming it's you and your wife. So there should be at the top.
Okay.
First,
Sorry, princess.
Princess, stop sharing. Let me see
Please,
something.
can you stop sharing, please? Let me see.
Princess, stop sharing temporarily. Okay. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, that's it.
Can you see my screen now?
Yeah.
Princess, share again. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen.
All right, let's continue. So I don't know why your Sublime Text for Princess did not generate this. I asked, are you using Sublime Text 3 or Sublime Text 2? All right, let me work with you. Show me how you generated that.
How I generated this? I typed HTML. Okay, let me just do it again.
Control A, wipe it, and start afresh. I want to see why only different. Control A, backspace. Okay. HTML tab.
So I did HTML.
Yeah, tab. Okay, and give just this.
Yes.
My God, this is stressful, but it's okay. So just this is useless without putting meta. Trust me, because you're going to type some better things. Okay, never mind. Follow us. I will explain. I'm just explaining the structure. Follow my screen. Leave yours alone for now. Come back to it. It's from a sublime text. All right, guys, let's continue. So I will say that this guy has two. This guy has two children, the head and the body. Right? The head it has in mind has three children already. If people like Princess Screen, it has just one child, which is title. But let me explain each of these structure. Now, the meta elements are used to describe your page, your web page. In this case, the first thing the meta is doing right now is using the character set attribute to set the encoding format of this site. And I said encoding format, forget it. Don't try to understand it now. Okay, you can go and do a personal read on encoding format. Just set UTF-8 and meaning. You can get some reasonable thing, but not in this class. All right. The next thing, the meta is being used. Like I said, you can have many meta, as many as you need to have, depending on what you're using it for. The next thing the meta is used in this case is to set the viewport. This particular, the name, it is using a name attribute, viewport, then the content, width equal to device width. What this signifies is that it is going to be, once you load your, once anybody browses your site is going to help to scale to scale itself into the person's screen with. All right. Without this particular line, you cannot do responsive design. You will learn responsive design later in this class. Responsive design is designing your site to fit in properly for different device size, screen size, for laptop, for phone, for bigger screen. When you design your site, you must cater for these screen sizes. That's what responsive design does. You will learn it at later part of CSS. All right. Now, without this tag, this line, that responsive design will not work when you do it. Okay. Now, title.
So sorry, I don't know whose person's screen is showing. I sure it's your screen or someone else.
What can you see?
Someone is trying to save a file. Anna.
That's Princess.
Okay.
And if that's Princess, I don't know, but I think so.
Anatomy, that means okay. So I'm not seeing your own screen. I seem to see.
That means so sometimes when you don't see, you ask on time so that I've been explaining. Okay, my screen is. Can you take your cursor to the top of your screen? Can you see? Okay, can you see a floating tile? Why is it difficult for us to get? Minimize your zoom first. Hope you're using Zoom desktop, not Zoom web. Hello, can you hear me?
Don't worry, continue.
Okay. No, you need to see my screen. Are you using Zoom desktop or Zoom
web?
Okay,
I can see your screen now.
Okay. All right. So okay, so sorry guys. We're here. Title. What's title? If I open this site on browser, what did you see, everybody? Look at this part of my code of my browser. Kachi, what can you see here? Good news. What can you see here? Perfect. So now this is where your site title is positioned. By default, some browser, for instance, Chrome, if your title is not set, it will use your file name as the title. Some browser like Firefox and things or Edge, Firefox and things so will use the full file path as title. This you're seeing now is a title. To avoid that from happening, please always title your page. It also helps for SEO, for search engine optimization. So I'm going to do this HTML structure. Type code Gucci. All right. If I save this and refresh, that's changed. Can I see this now?
Yeah.
So what about you right here? Because of file site, and then
my web.
Hmm?
That's what will reflect on my web. That's the title of the web. Did you get it?
Okay, I get it. All right, so how we go? So that what title does. That's clear, right? Now I just explained to you the structure of HTML. So we just saw the HTML5 structure. This is the basic structure of HTML. Princess, forget about having this for now. Focus on what you have and make do with it. All right. Later we'll fix your sublime text on why it's generating. In modern day browser and text editor should give you this. But for now, if you don't have it, forget about it. Just understand the use of this. With that said, that puts an end to HTML5 structure. All right. Can we proceed? Welcome, Linus.
Yeah.
So let's proceed. According to our course outline, we're supposed to be talking about media today. Okay. Media is let's go. Please, if you not created this file and everything is good, please write it. File proceed. For those who are in the class, not those who just joined now. Of course, you will lag behind if you just joining now. Welcome, Linus. If you're not done it, please do this. So this is where we'll not put the things we're doing. So I'm not, or maybe I just use this too. Well, if you've done this, stay with me. Let's proceed. I'm going to create a new file. I'm going to name it media. Ctrl S, media.html. So if you just come in, you can start with this file now. All right. If you just come in, forget about doing this. So you don't keep us behind. For those who are here before, try to finish this and join me. If you don't have this meta, skip it, don't touch it. Just do what you have and join me. Create a new file. Creating a file should be a problem to us in this class because we've learned it and the video is there. You must have watched the replay to master it. So create a new file called media.html. Now, just like we learned in the previous class, join me. When you create that file, type HTML, then press tab. All right. I repeat, when you create that file called media.html, come here and type HTML, press tab. It generates all these things for you. All right, and proceed. As usual, always title your file. I'm titling my file. I'm naming it media. Okay. We'll learn both image tag and video, audio, and maybe iframe. All right, let's go. So there are many ways to embed media on web page. All right, we'll start with the popular way using a tag called img tag. That means image. Now, if you do this tag using this tag, right? This tag does not have a closing tag. There are a few tags that do not have a closing tag. This is part of them. As a matter of fact, this tag is a self-closing tag. Self-closing element. All right. So don't be like us. In those days, once we do this, we're okay with it. For self-closing element like IMG, always put the slash at the end. All right. It's a good habit, but not compulsory. Like I said, you will appreciate it when you start learning React. React will disturb you if you don't put this tag. Don't worry. When you learn React, you will master. You will be forced to adhere to standard. React will force you to start. If not, you will suffer. All right. So I'm saying this on time now that this tag is self-closing. It doesn't have a closing tag. But what you can do is put a slash at the end like this. Now let's continue. Now the attribute you must have in this tag to make it an image tag is called SROC. A lot of people don't understand. SROC is short form for source. SROC is short for source. Okay. When I say SROC, now the person is referring to source. So source in this case means the source of the image that I want to embed. Where is it coming from? All right. First, if you have internet, which I know you have right now because you're in this class, I'll show you how to embed the image directly from the web. And I'll show you how to embed it locally. So let's start. If you're following me, stay with me. If you're not following me, come my attention. All right. So let's go online and get some, what should we call it? Some image. There are popular image files out there. Let me try Pixabay. Even though I enter this site very fast, go very fast. Here. So let's go straight to free images. Pixabay is a free image repository, right? So there are few images you can get. So let me just click on this. Let me open it in a new tab. Now, let me. Whoosh. I've learned something bad. This image that downloaded, it's supposed to download. It's supposed to allow me to open a new tab. But it's okay. The reason because I want to embed it. Put image in new tab, will not work for me. Inspect. Then my menu. This is not what I want anyway. Let me try on Splash. On Splash. Free images. Okay. Okay. New tab. Better. This I'm not studying why you. Okay, I'm going to copy this link. Pixabay don't want to embed the images again. That link is long, but I'm going to paste it here. Forgive me. All right. So I just pasted it here. So I pasted it inside the SROC. I save. I come back to my work. So let me open this work in my browser. Opening browser. It's loading slowly because that image is loading also. That if you notice, it took time to load. All right. The image is covering everything on my screen. This is not what I want. This behavior is going to force us to introduce some new attributes. But never mind. This thing, but no panic. All right. For those of you who are seeing my screen, let me help you get to where I am. If you're following me, use Unsplash, don't use Pixabay. Open an image, then right click and open it in a new browser. Then copy the link, put it inside your SROC. All right. Now I will have it. Now the image is covered everywhere. I'm going to do something important. I'm going to watch. I thought that an attribute has the attribute name and attribute value. In this case, this is the attribute value ends here. All right. So I can add as many attributes as you want. Like in this case, now there is name, there's content. These are all attributes in one tag. So this attribute SROC has ended here. I'm going to create a new attribute outside this SROC code, I'm going to just do it. I'm going to space. I'm going to write height equal to 400. Once I do that, the image should adjust itself. Once I reload, let's reload. You see, that's miraculous. So it has adjusted itself. Any questions so far? Or anybody have challenges I should help them walk through? Okay, please, if you know what I just did, please do it. Linus, I can't see your screen. I hope you're not using your phone.
I thought you said that since I just joined,
Please, can't see your screen either. Okay, so let's get it correctly. The essence of the class, you've been on the left class, is to help you catch up quick. As I'm explaining, you're doing it, you're asking questions, you're getting it. If you rely only on the recorded video, it's more like you're just following a YouTube class. So the reason why you're in this class is to ensure that you have the full benefit of the class. So please try to follow the class live. If you're coming late, just get your laptop, open your Zoom, join the class. The method line is joined. That was when I was starting the new concept of media. So if you started from there, you have followed us actually. Before Pizza B, I want to see your what's it called? Your image tag created. Good news, you're on Pizza B. Don't use Pizza B, please use Unsplash. Pizza B is stingy now. Okay, it's preset it's preset that using Pizza B. I stop with they give you, okay, perfect. Goodness, that's what you did. Perfect. Princess, you're still on, don't use on splash. UN splash. UN splash. Okay, they gave what you're looking for. You're even lucky. Just open it, Princess. Just go. Open the first link. Have you?
My audio is giving me issues. I can't hear anything you're saying. I'm trying to close some app because my system is warning me that my audio will be affected.
It's now clear. Are you using your phone?
Okay, this one.
Shapak, can you hear me?
Very well, I can hear you.
Okay, please check my this thing. I'm trying to load. My screen is showing a broken image. What did I not get?
Because that image was blocked by the people that gave it to you.
Wicked.
It's blocked, so the iStock means it's not free. So go and get a free image. No, don't worry. Go and get a free image for you. Replace it later. Go and get a free image first. Go back to where I got this one. I'll show you how to get a free image. When you go to iStock and avoid that first one you see, it's not free. The first one is not free. Scroll down.
Me?
Not you. I'm on good news screen.
This one I'm seeing, is it free?
Check this. Good news, try this one. Right click. You're still on iStock. Good news, you're on the wrong website. You're on iStock website. Close that tab. The tab, close it. The tab, close it. The browser tab. No, up. Take a cursor up. Close that tab. This is where you should be. It's okay now. Scroll down. You see free image down. Yeah, you don't click on iStock link. It will bring you here. No, you can close it again. Close the tab again. Then scroll down. Scroll down. Keep scrolling. These are free images now. Work with this. Princess, are you back?
Yes.
I can see your screen. Right click on one and open a new tab. Let's see. Linus, welcome to screen sharing. Okay. On the site is called on Splash. Okay. Linus, have you done the tag? The image tag? And then Kachi, only you're not sharing screen here. Okay. Princess, are you there?
I did that. I'm not seeing anything.
You don't see anything how? Go back, right? Go to where you came from. Go back to your browser, Princess.
This is my browser.
Scroll down, Princess. Scroll down. Scroll down. All right. Let's stick with this. Let's try this. Right click on any image you like. Right click, not click. Right click, not click. Right click. Okay. Open. No, don't do that. Go down. Open image on new tab, not link. Up.
Open image. Okay.
Yes, exactly. Now, on this new tab that it took you to, is this new tab or this old tab? See new tab there. Go to your. See if you see your browser now moved. Go to the last tab.
I didn't get.
Take a cursor up. Let me direct you. Take a cursor up.
Okay.
It's now. Go left.
Okay.
No, you went too fast. Go back to where you were before. Up. Go take a cursor up. Thank you. Click there.
Okay. Yeah.
No, the globe, the previous tab. That's the
Okay.
tab. Yes, click on it. Now these are the making to stay. I seen it now. Now copy the link on this page. On your browser, copy the link. No. Escape. Go up. See how to copy link. That place you type link. Click there.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes. Copy. Have you copied it? Now go and paste in SROC. Linus, I'm on your screen now. Okay. Linus, let me give you a quick walk. Where are you? Go to Sublime Text. Leave on Splash first. Let me show Sublime Text. Wipe Control A, wipe everything. Control A, wipe everything.
Can you see my screen?
I can see your screen, yes. Control A and wipe everything.
I should wipe everything.
Yes. Use Control A, how you fast.
Control
A, then backspace. Backspace. Thank you. Type HTML. Press tab. Thank you. So everything is here.
Okay.
Then go straight to the body and do image tag. Go to the body, and do image tag. Tab. Press tab first. Don't type anything there. Press tab. Indent your code. In my class, you must indent your code. If I catch anybody not indenting code, maybe I'll have problem after last class. Type img tag. Now when you see suggestion, take it, click on it, or press enter. It will suggest for you. Thank you. So go and copy your link and put here. All right.
Please, showing a broken screen. Is there anything wrong with my page?
Okay.
It's still showing broken screen. Is there anything wrong with my code?
Have you saved this one?
I've saved.
Control S again. Let me see.
I've done it.
Open. Go to your browser. Let's see something.
Still showing a broken.
Okay. Let me borrow you my own link. Let's find out why it is like that. Princess, did your own work?
Yes, it did. Okay, but I'm not opening it in browser. Let me open it now.
Save it first before you open.
I've saved it.
Open lesson. So we will now investigate
Within
what good news I'm trying to see if I should give my link or I'll guide you again into getting the link. Princess, once you give us feedback. Okay, so good news. Let's take a matter again. Go back to your browser where I copied the image from. No. All right. Scroll down. This all. Now go scroll up again. The copy is wrong. Right click on this image. Good news. Right click on it. This a click on it. Right click.
my screen.
Open.
So I should copy a link.
No. Good. Next one. Open image in new tab. Yes. Now go to your new tab. This image is premium. Don't give it to you. But let's try. They give it to you with a watermark. No, just copy the link. Don't give it with watermark. Most likely. No, not here. Not here. Go to a browser like you want to edit the address. Like you want to edit the address. No. Go to the previous tab now. Good news. This is stay with me. Good news. Go to the tab here. Click there. Try to edit the address. Click there.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yes. Copy the link. Control C or right click and copy. All right. Now remove your former link. Okay. Paste. Save. Check it.
I should save. I thought I'll hide.
You can add height if you want to hide. All right. Who is having challenge? You having challenge.
Can I share my own screen? Let's see what I've done.
Okay. Share screen. But share ensure that you're using web version. Desktop version.
All is working.
Good news. What do you say?
Yes, it's working.
We said your own work.
Yes, it did.
Linus, where are we? This Linus image not be here. Linus, this your link is Infinity. I don't think we got the right image. Control C. Linus, Control Z. This image link is troublesome. You took it from Google directly. Linus, give me your screen and go back to your browser. Can't you using Notepad?
No, see my code here.
Okay. Did it work?
Let me open it on browser.
Okay. So Linus, not this. Type on Splash on your browser. Let's go to on Splash website. Okay, you ready?
So see how my own is showing.
And catch you done. I'll come with you. Linus, click on that link, down on Splash link. The first one you see.
This one.
Yes, open it up fully. Now scroll down. Click on this image is okay. Right click on one image. Right click, not click, right click. You see the option open image in new tab, use it. No, not that link. Do it again. Go down.
Open image in it. Okay.
Yes, open it. Now that new tab, go to new tab. It's the last tab on your browser. It will be the last tab on your browser. That browser behaves. Keep going. Thank you. Go there. Copy the link. No. Yes. Click on that edit. Then copy it.
Okay.
Control C or right click and copy. Go and paste it there. I catch you next. Catch you next. What's your code? Okay, catch you one is working right now. No, you don't need me. All right. All right. So Okay, thank you. Everybody else is working. We are on common ground now. Good. Line, I'm for feedback. The time is particular time is almost up. Going to start another meeting.
I've done it.
All right. Did it work?
Fine.
Mm-hmm. When you do it, you test in the browser. Right? You've gone to copy paste it twice. Control Z, vanish. Control Z. Thank you. Your cursor is double pinging you. Just click. What happened? Double tap on your screen. Let me see. Double click on your screen. This is awesome. Click clear.
Okay.
All right. Now paste now. It's still happening again. Control Z. Use it again. Double tap again. Click there. Paste again. Control V. Thank you.
Okay.
Save now. Check your then. Have you saved? Now open this site on browser.
I just saved now.
Yeah, open it on browser. Right click and empty space. Open in browser. Okay, it works.
Okay, it's off.
Okay. Yeah, for those of you who used a small image, it's okay, like Linus. But just to make sure our learning is complete, still add the attributes. So if you look at my code, you see I added an attribute height. But please, back to my screen. Back to my screen. All right, let me finish this concept for go to the next thing. Up 2 minutes. Are you about my screen? Can I show you my screen now?
Yes, I'm on your screen.
Linus on my screen.
Yes.
Not yet. Time to check the screen.
My screen is up. Click on my screen. Do you know how to switch screen? Go back to Zoom. You see my screen labeled up. Join us. So this height, I able to 400. Is the attributes I used to set the height. All right, because of course you saw that my one was bigger without the height. Now, but there's something I want to see. I can set the width also. I can choose to say use width instead of height. So just click on my browser. Now let me change this to width. Width equal to 400. You see, it's a bit different. Now, if you use height, the image height will be 400. Then it will use what we call the aspect ratio to maintain the width, to calculate the width for you. Aspect ratio is your image height to width ratio. It is important because if you don't understand it, there are times we use height. Some people go and add height and add width at the same time. Now imagine me doing that. If I add both of them, this image will be what we call will experience a distortion. Watch this. It distorted, but you don't know because you don't know the nature of image. To make you understand it more, let me make it 800. I see the distortion now. It's stretched. It's unnecessarily stretched beyond this ratio. Now, on YB website, avoid image distortion. So you're advised to either use height or width, but don't use both at the same time. Use height or width, but don't use both at the same time. If you're using height, stay with height. If you're using width, stay with width, depending on what you want to achieve. All right? The only time